Alright, well, we're gonna go on a river crossing with Mom. So let's go up the canyon.
Really?
Mom. Really?
Why would you do this to me?
Because it's fun.
No, it isn't.
It is
It just
fun.
scares me.
No, it's fun. Is this guy really fly fishing in this little pond?
Then maybe you shouldn't go
I
over
don't
there.
care. This is a trail. It's flowing everywhere.
You just like to scare your mummy.
Mom, that was awesome.
You just like to scare your mummy.
That was fun.
Alright, it was a little better than I expected.
I told you I'm not ramming through it. Alright, now we gotta go back around the other side. Had to stop at the top of the lake, the little thing that's above the river crossing. Show Mom it.
Devin really wants me to take out my shoes.
About 2 feet deep right here.
Ah! Yep, I can touch.
it's just not getting the frame.
Alright, that's it.
That's awesome, man. I think, Mom,
It's cold.
but it's
so,
cool.
It's so cold.
It's
Don't
super
worry.
cool.
You got my foot wet.
My truck is like perfect height.
Alright, that's cold. Oh my goodness.
Well, thanks for watching. It was really fun.
It was fun actually.
Alright, now we got Dad to go do the river crossing. It's gonna be fun.
I'm scared.
Mom was less scared than that.
I'm just kidding. I'm not scared.
She was scared the first time, especially when we got up close. She's like, oh my gosh, that's so much. We're gonna remember to do this first time.
I got a baggie full of fish.
Cool, guys.
Did you mount out there?
No, I haven't got them yet. I haven't decided where I want to put it.
You just gotta hold it out there?
Yeah. want me to stop in the middle?
She wanted to. Now you're stuck.
Yeah, I'm stuck. Got close to you.
You're going to get much deeper.
All right, well, I was going through the river with Dad, so we might get another person this trip, we might not. All right, well, this time is going through it in two-wheel drive and then going further up the canyon. you enjoyed that video of me taking my parents and having them cross through a river and see how they do. Dad is super chill, but my dad likes exploring, likes being off-road. My mom gets really nervous about a lot of different things, but she really enjoyed it at the end of it. And then me and my dad did go find the end of that road that I have actually driven on for 3 years with this truck. 4 years? I don't know, something like that. And it was super awesome. I want to go camping up there. There's a bunch of four-wheeler trails. They're 50-inch trails, so I can't do that. But eventually, when I get a four-wheeler, we'll be able to go. So, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.